Unlock a treasure trove of amazing deals and learn how to snag them hassle-free with this ultimate Temu shopping guide. First things first, let's get Temu downloaded. Head to your app store, search for Temu, and tap install once it's on your device. Open the app to start exploring. Welcome to the Temu homepage. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a variety of categories like clothing, electronics, home goods, and more, all displayed with eye-catching deals. Scroll through to get a feel for what's available. Looking for something specific? Use the search bar at the top, type in your item, for instance, wireless earbuds, and hit search. Temu will then show you all the relevant products. Browse through these results. You can sort by price, popularity, or customer ratings to find exactly what you need. See something you like? Tap on it to view more details. On the product page, you'll find more photos, a detailed description, customer reviews, and the current price. If you're happy with what you see, tap the Add to Cart button. Your item is now in your virtual shopping cart. You can continue browsing and adding more items, or if you're ready to check out, tap the cart icon, usually found at the bottom right of your screen. Here's your cart. Review your items, adjust quantities if needed, and then tap Checkout to proceed. Now for the checkout, enter your shipping address accurately. Next, select your preferred payment method. Temu offers several options for a secure transaction. Carefully review your order summary, including the total cost and estimated delivery time. Once everything is correct, tap the Place Order button to complete your purchase. Congratulations! You've successfully placed your order on Temu. You'll receive a confirmation email, and you can track your order's progress directly within the app. Happy shopping and enjoy your amazing finds!